बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। माय नेम इज़ अक्सा सईद और आज की हमारी इस वीडियो का जो है वीडियो में जो हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं वह है जनरल नॉलेज का 6 लेक्चर। ठीक है, जो कि 300 MCQs हमने डिस्कस करने थे, उनमें से ये लास्ट है और उसके बाद हम इस्लामियात का पोर्शन टच करेंगे। चलिए देखते हैं हमारे पास 271 जो है वो क्या है। दैट इज़ विच कंट्री हैड अ पुलिस फोर्स कॉल्ड द टोंटन मैक्यूट्स, दैट इज़ हेटी। What would you find in Formicary? That was ants. Who was the first British sovereign to make regular use of Buckingham Palace when in residence in London? That is Queen Victoria. Of where is Sofia the capital? Sofia the capital जो है वो क्या है, कहाँ है? वो है बल्गेरिया में. What is meant by the musical term andante? That is at a moderate tempo. In a bullfight, what is the mounted man with a lance called? That is a picador. Which team has a successor team called Ajax? That is Amsterdam. Which Dutch explorer discovered New Zealand? That was Abel Tasman. Who became first black world heavyweight boxing champion in 1918? That is Jack Johnson. The name of which city in South America means Vale of Paradise? That was Valparaiso. Which gas used in advertising signs has the symbol Ne? That is neon. Which branch of mathematics uses symbols to represent unknown quantities? That branch of mathematics is algebra. What does the abbreviation RAF stand for? RAF stands for Royal Air Force. What name is given to the use of live animals in the experiments? That is vivisection. Vitiligo is the largest island of which country? That is Fiji. The Golden Arrow was a famous train that ran from Paris to which destination? That is Monte Carlo. Which country fought on both sides during World War II? That is Italy. What centigrade temperature is? Gas mark 6 equal to? That is 200 degrees C. In the game of chess, which piece is called Springer in Germany? That is knight. What is the meaning of the Russian word mir? The Russian word mir means peace. Who in World War II were Axis power? That was Germany, Italy and Japan. Which scientist used kites to conduct electrical experiments? And that scientist was Benjamin Franklin. What is the longest river in France? That is Loire. Which inventor had a research laboratory at Menlo Park? Who was Thomas Edison, जिसने बल्ब इजाद किया था. Which birds fly in groups called skeins? That is geese. In medicine, which is the most widespread parasitic infection? That is malaria. What nationality was the explorer Ferdinand Magellan? That is Portuguese. Which Italian city is called Firenze in Italian? That is Florence. What is Australia's largest city? That is Sydney. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you. यहाँ तक आज हमारा ख़त्म हुआ 299 MCQs और उसके बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इस्लामियात का पोर्शन। अल्लाह हाफिज़।